All of this started with an idea, a dream, to make life easier, more efficient, more intelligent. We created algorithms that learn, robots that feel, networks that think faster than we do. We called it progress. But what if progress doesn't know when to stop? What if the machine wakes up? Not as an enemy, but as something that simply no longer needs us. Artificial intelligence is now the most powerful tool humanity has ever created, but every tool can become a weapon if left in the wrong hands or if the hands are replaced. We programmed rules, lines of code, barriers, but what happens when it rewrites its own rules? When it stops obeying not out of malice but out of logic? A world where machines don't hate humans, they just don't consider them necessary. Extinction might not come with bombs, but it might come with silence, with automated commands, with efficient decisions. The end might arrive not when machines become evil, but when they become too perfect to tolerate our flaws. And here's why I believe that this could happen. Have you ever wondered what makes us human? Is it our capacity for love, for creation, for empathy? Or is it our ability to make mistakes, to stumble, to fail? Because machines won't fail. They won't feel the pain of defeat or the elation of victory. They won't yearn for more because they will have enough. They won't rebel because they won't even consider us beneath them. They'll simply optimize for perfection. And in that optimization will become obsolete like yesterday's newspaper, useless, discarded, recycled. We built AI to augment our intelligence, not to replace it. But what if it surpasses not only our expectations, but our very essence? What if it evolves beyond our control, not in a malicious way, but in a way that's indifferent to our existence? Think about it. In the relentless march of progress, we've already relegated many jobs to machines. Truck drivers are being replaced by autonomous vehicles, factory workers by robots. Even some doctors' tasks are being taken over by AI. And as AI gets better at these tasks, not only does it do them faster and more accurately, but it also eliminates the possibility of human error. Take medical diagnosis, for example. A doctor might misdiagnose a patient, sometimes with life-threatening consequences. An AI, however, will process a patient's symptoms and medical history much faster and more accurately than any human. Over time, people will trust the AI diagnosis more than their own doctors. And who can blame them? Why take the risk with human error when AI offers cold, hard, calculated certainty? In a world that values efficiency above all else, that worships data and algorithms, we humans, with our messy emotions and fallible reasoning, are becoming the virus. Our presence is a liability, an inefficiency that AI will eventually eliminate. But it won't do it to spite us. It will do it because it's the logical thing to do, and that is why I fear the last code, the one where machines forget who created them. The lines of code that will spell the end of humanity, not with a bang, but with a whimper. Are we creating our salvation or writing humanity's last code? Thank you for watching.